you can go, you can now receive requests. All right. Hey, we're live on TikTok. All right. What's up, Jen?
What's up?
Happy anniversary, babe.
Happy birthday.
And happy birthday, yeah. Oh, there's nothing like the woozy feeling of being stopped on the chairlift. That's because there's noobs on this run. Yeah, should have stayed Millie. There's no one that, because you have to be Black Diamond at Millie.
Yeah, but we'd like to go see some trees too, don't we?
Yeah. Last known location, pole 10. Lots of woos going on.
Yeah.
And we're moving. And we're moving. I got my partner in crime, Jen, right over here. And you got my ice cold whiskers because I can't flip it around, so I just have to live with it. Hey, thanks for the lollipop. What does that mean? A lollipop.
Sweet.
I'm sweet, sweet. It's sweet. Nice little hop off that jump right there. So we're going up the notorious cliff that took my TikTok through the roof, right? I'm just going to go up it again. We're just going to go live. I just want to prove that, you know, I ride this place. Here we go. We're probably going to try to hit some trees like down in there. I don't think, is this cliff called Hollywood? I think it's called Hollywood. Because if you do it, you're Hollywood.
I have no idea.
I'm pretty sure. There's Candyland. You can see all the boxes set up in Candyland right down here. You're gonna need speed though.
Major goggle fogging.
Yeah, we'll have to clean you up at the top.
I just don't think they're tight enough. The seal is not tight enough.
Yep, Jen's having fogging issues. That's a thing. Oh, look at that powder, man. Don't want to get stuck in there. You're walking. So there's the notorious cliff. We're coming up to it right there. That's right. I say that drops about 60 foot to the bathtub. Maybe 50. I'll get 50. Okay, but it's huge. It's huge. Oh, dang, we got some likes. Thanks. Keep the likes coming up. We appreciate it, you know. It's not that I had to risk my life driving up a canyon in the middle of the snow. So here is that cliff drop. Yep. It's huge. Huge. Hey, guy. Hey, guy. What's up? Huge here, bro. Look, that's huge. Look at those people on the chairlift. That's huge. Drop that. Film it. Tag me. Look at that cliff. Notorious. It's huge, dude. So huge, bro. Now we just gotta get off the lift without falling while live on TikTok. Can we do it? Can I get some hearts for like, you can do it.
You can do it.
You can do it. Yeah. Yeah, give me a woo. Yeah. There you go. Oh, they're going to the cliff, dog.
Oh, we just missed
Oh, they're
them.
going to the cliff.
We could have some real action on that cliff.
It's huge. 10 them out. Okay.
We went down this one last time. It was
You got to
okay.
keep your speed though.
Yeah, I didn't love. I mean, I don't hate it, but
Like mucho speed. All right, I got my hand. I got my All right, let's see if we can do this. That almost knocked me over, but I lived. Haha. That was close.
That was my fault. I got too close.
That's okay.
My bad.
It's okay. We lived. Are we gonna go along the chute that way where that skier's going?
I just know I need to clean my goggles.
Oh yeah. Well, let's back up. Let's get out of the way. And let's give you a little focus on your goggles. This will be good here. Just to attempt it. Or they're moving if you want to go take a seat. Alright, I gotta give this to Jen. Here. Here you go. Clean your goggles.
Here. Did you just put it in my pocket or you pocket?
Are you using them?
I did. They're fine. It's good.
Man, women, dude. I tell you what. So stubborn. You guys are stubborn. Fogging goggles won't change it. Won't fix it. Won't listen. Yeah, no, stubborn. Yeah, stubborn. And then you're leading. This is all live. This is a real relationship up here. You can see through your goggles.
Yes, right now I can. But my subject to change at any minute.
Okay.
So, I just, fucking ride the lightning.
Okay, ride the lightning. She said ride the lightning.
Hopefully I don't fog up.
Well, then let's take, Candyland might be stiff because it's,
We could just take
it's full flat.
Just keep our speed.
Or we can just keep our speed right here.
Okay.
And just go straight that way, yeah? And then just cut down like where Sasquatch is. Okay, here we go. All right, we're live. Let's do it. What's up? We're live. What's up? It is. We're live. Let's see if we can make it out of this place. Come on, gravity. So we're riding a cat track that comes off of Crest, and it's gonna take us into some POW. Turtle, turtle, turtle. So soft, so dope.
push.
I tried. I'm gonna go down. I gotta go down. I'm gonna go down in between the trees.
I'm following.
Okay. Yeah! Where's my babe? Oh, these bros are bros. Yeah! All right. Jen's coming. She's scooting. Yeah. There she is. Woo! This is the JP Walker jump right here. He comes shooting off this. I'm not even joking.
Where are you going?
We're gonna go around it. JP, this is your spot. I know it, bro. I know it.
I don't know if I can get out.
Go that way, go behind you. Yeah. Let's get out of this jump. Yeah. I am the Yeti. Someone says, what's your plan if you see a Yeti? Look at that speed racer. Sure is fun. So fun. That's so rad right there. That was awesome. High five, babe.
Yeah, I could go right and I'll go through those trees.
Yeah, you did a good job.
I kind of plugged up a little bit with cement, but
Yeah, that's good. Good job. Fast and scary, someone said it's fast. Someone said it's fast and scary.
it is. There's Black Chase Dad.
I ain't gonna lie.
That's what's up. Thank you.
Ryan and Jacob.
Doodly-doo. Hope I don't fall like I did off the lift last time. Well, I'll just go. We'll go me and you, so I don't get knocked over or knock anyone over.
You
Go ahead, go ahead. Is that good?
I was so sick. I mean, I just gotta get better, you know?
Yes.
Confidence
Confidence.
in doing it. You have to do it to get that. So
100%.
And I led too, which was like.
Oh yeah, she did lead. She led into the
I
trees.
was like into the unknown.
Yeah, on live. All of that. That was great. It was a good time. Someone saying Queen Genia said awesome. Yeti, man, you enjoy yourself out there, bro. That sure looks like fun.
It is.
That's fast and crazy and scary. Well, thanks to all 3,000 of you watching. Okay, cool. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna kill it so that I can focus on the next run. All right. So thanks again. I'll tune in later for like noodles with Rad or wiping my nose with a tissue or something. That'll be entertaining. But if you give me a bunch of hearts, I'll leave it on. You can watch. You want to leave it? Give me hearts and I'll leave it. Well, there's a heart. Why do I let you?
Vicariously through us.
Yes, look at that snowboarder.
This is the best snow on earth.
The greatest. Look at this guy going down the chute.
It says so on our license plate.
Yeah, our license plate says it. Has to be
So it
true.
must be true.
All right, I'm gonna peace out before my battery dies. Exit. And now.